When I started West Coast Customs in 1993, finding skilled labor was easy. People were used to fixing things. I learned because schools taught trades: auto shop, wood shop, sewing. But today, things are definitely different. It's all about computers and technology. But what if you're a kid like me, dyslexic, good with my hands, not so good with textbooks? Our society still needs skilled labor, now more than ever.
There's always going to be vehicles, there's always going to be cars. People are always going to want to modify, custom, upgrade. And so there's always going to be a need for places like West Coast Academy.
The manual labor, the skilled jobs, we're seeing a huge decline. And the window for jobs that pay six-figure salaries working with your hands is getting larger, but the audience is shrinking.
From this need, the West Coast Customs Academy was born. We take the 360-degree approach to learning. The students learn every aspect of a car build. A student may come in thinking they want to be a fabricator, but by the time they're done with the program, they end up wanting to be upholsterers.
All right, so I'm here with my homie Gamma. Right now we're just starting the final assembly of the seats. We got our luxurious foam here. We're just gonna start to slip over some of the diamond stitched sleeve that we made. Neither of us have ever put anything on a seat before like this, so this is our first shot.
From that passion, the best workers are born. When you love what you do, it's not your job, it's your life.
We always stay later. We want to get it done. Like this whole last weekend that we had along, all I was thinking about was like, all right, that little thing. Our team is very big on like wanting to do it well, not just wanting to do it, but make sure it's good.
That's what makes this school different than any other trade school.
Even like the measurements are so precise, and like learning about Ohm's law, all of that voltage, parallel, series, all of that was just from today. So there's a lot to talk about.
This shop is amazing. It has everything you need to be able to do the job you need to do. To have everything in-house under one roof, it's truly a dream.
But the dream is so much bigger. The beginning is inside the shop at West Coast Customs. But the future is for West Coast Customs Academy to have its own campus and program that can be expanded into other cities and states.
I think it's amazing. I mean, I didn't even know it existed until the day it started, and I'm here having the best time of my life, you know? So if that means other kids can have the same opportunities I did, then I would preach it, you know? Make it bigger, do as much as you can.
Ryan just opened up the door to, hi, here's a career. If you work hard, you could go in this direction, and it seems so limitless. And for someone like James, he just absorbs it like a sponge. So for him, that's all he talks about now is the future and what it really means to him. It's exciting to see.
As a woman, I would never get this experience, this hands-on, anywhere else, because when I'm growing up and in my front yard, my friends are going to play with dolls, or they're worried about the mall or boys. Whereas like guys, they sit in the front yard and tinker with their cars all the time. To be this deep and this hands-on with actual professionals who know what they're doing, as a woman, it's like definitely, I don't even know, I can't explain it, honestly.
So I'll try and hold it together, but this was a place that Christian could come to be celebrated. It means that much.
This is what Scott's mom said. Quote, Ryan isn't building cars anymore.
He's building futures. He's building character. He really is making a difference. He's gone on to people building.
It's powerful. The West Coast Customs Academy keeping this industry alive by teaching our future generations.